So let's take a moment together to breathe in to our spiritual practice, to just open our hearts and our minds to seeing what's here for us to see, hearing what's here for us to hear, discovering and uncovering ways that we may transform through the power of the practice, the power of insight, the power of our awareness. Let me be aware, sweet Spirit, of what I might be doing to hold myself back. To play small or to imagine a limitation for myself that is not there. Show me the fullness of life that is available to me. And let me dedicate this incredibly intelligently designed body-mind temple, full with emotions, full with recording capacity. And let me lift it up. Let the words of my heart, let the meditations of my mind be whole, holy, lifted. I release any attachment to limitations I have rehearsed, to words I have spoken, that do not honor all that I am, that do not support, that do not love. I am ready now. I am willing and watching with gentle compassion. I go about this good work. Not to fix something that's not enough or broken, but to honor the light that is, to give freedom to the spirit, to consciously co-create. Inhaling and exhaling, we enter a state of allowing, knowing that the first step is simply being willing and being aware. Inhaling and exhaling. We allow the fullness of peace available to us in this moment. To fill us, mind, heart, body. Letting go of any idea that life is hard or the work is hard. And opening up to the knowing that we are so divinely supported, that we are so wondrously made, that we are blessed. And so it is.